What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll show you another way to create a Google account without getting stuck in the verify your number loop. First, open your phone settings, then go to users and accounts. Tap add account, then select Google. When the Google sign in page appears, tap create account, then choose for myself. Enter your information and follow the on-screen instructions until your account is created. In some cases, Google may let you create an account without asking for a phone number. However, if Google still requires phone verification, there is no guaranteed way to skip it because the verification depends on Google's security system. Once your account is ready, it's recommended to add a recovery phone number to help secure your account. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.